Hi everyone, this is Payal. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your basic Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is part of yoga and it has a lot of benefits like it helps you lose weight, keep your skin glowing, helps your digestive system, helps fight insomnia and a lot more. So let's see how to do your basic Surya Namaskar. The first step is to stand straight like this, hands on your side, chest up. Now you stretch your hands on the side, bring them upwards. Do Namaste like this. And get your hands down. After this position, you need to again go up with your hands. Try and stretch your hands as much as you can. Now from here, you go backwards, your hands go backwards, your neck also go backwards. Keeping your back arched. As much as you can, don't stress much. And now from here, you drop down in the same posture on the ground, keeping your hands on the floor, and your feet on the floor. You should feel the stretch here and stretch. Now you take your right leg backwards like this. Alright? And stretch. Now you take your left leg along with the right leg, making a plank position like this. You drop your knees on the ground first. Then you place your chest on the floor, keeping your hips in the air. And place your chin on the ground. After this position, you need to lift your body up like this and stretch. Next is to lift your body up and make a mountain peak position. So just imagine how would you make a mountain peak position from your body. So for that you need to lift your body up. Imagine yourself, how would you make a mountain peak position? Keeping your feet on the ground, looking at your feet would help you focus more. And stretch and make a mountain peak position like this. And now, after this again, you get your right feet in between your hands again like this. And your left feet. You slowly roll up. And Namaste. You repeat the same cycle with your left leg. Let's try the same thing with our left leg. First step to stand straight, stretch your hands out, do Namaste, get your hands down, go up, stretch, 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 backwards, drop down, touch the ground, feet on the ground, feel the stretch. Take your left leg behind like this, yeah, stretch, look up, place your right leg with the left leg, making a plank position. Drop down your knees, hips in the air, drop your chest on the ground, place your chin on the ground, lift your body up and stretch. Mountain peak position. Lift your body up, Make a mountain peak. Get your left leg back in between your hands. Feel the stretch. And your right leg with the left leg. Roll up. Stretch your hands. And Namaste. This is how you do your Surya Namaskar. So this is how you do your basic Surya Namaskar at home and stay mentally, physically and spiritually fit. Thanks for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.